What the fuck are you taking a video of me, honey? I haven't shaved in like forever. Wait. I think you got something on your leg. My name is Paul, and this is Jeremy over here. Right here. You know? Right there. You know what I'm saying. And, we're gonna start making, like, vlogs and shit, and, like, videos. We're gonna be talking about random shit, and our thoughts and feelings on certain things, if you must. If you will. If you will. And, I hope you guys don't think we're acting like immature idiots, because we kind of are, but that's just, like, our problem. So you should watch these anyway. We're gonna go.